The UKUX is a semi-automated system simulator of the human digestive tract.
This innovative high-tech machine, CIATEJ's technology, simulates the digestive process through 5 stages in 5 different reactors: stomach, small intestine, ascending colon, transverse colon, and descending colon. With the simulator, we can test the digestibility, bioavailability, and functionality of functional foods, food formulas, supplements, and drugs in certain populations. To achieve this,
The UKUX operation system
comprises a stainless steel hexagonal base with a quartz plate. On each side of the hexagon, the reactors that represent each stages to the simulated are distributed. In the center of the hexagon base, it is found the base of the control interface. The control electronics, actuators, and other mechanisms that make the equipment work efficiently are under the principal base.
The UKUX operation system
Consists of simulating the conditions in which the food is digested by the human digestive system in the most exact way. The temperature is regulated by the thermal bath around the reactors. Magnets inside each container simulate the agitation of foods and digestion products. Transfer between each reactor is carried out by peristaltic pumps, which simulate the peristalsis movement of living organs. This equipment is capable of using an ex vivo environment, simulating the conditions of the living digestive tract in an external system, which makes it possible to take samples at any time during the digestive process. In the last 3 stages, we can inoculate the microbiota for the target population. The automatization process facilitates the work times and a quick parameter adjustment, creating an ideal environment for maintaining the living microbiota inside the reactor. All of this is monitored through the control electronics. Process initiation. The process initiates with calibrating the pH sensors of all 5 stages, regulation of all 5 stages agitation system, and finally, temperature sensors calibrating across all 5 stages. Stomach. After the setup, the feeding process begins. The inclusion of gastric enzymes coupled with ongoing parameters monitoring serves to enhance the efficiency of the process. Small intestine. The transfer of contents from the stomach to this stage is executed. Various intestinal enzymes such as pancreatine and bile salts are incorporated. Ascending colon. The content is then transferred from small intestine to the ascending colon. Continuous monitoring of the pH adjustments, temperature, and agitation of the reactor takes place, all while interacting with microbiota. Transverse colon. The content is transferred from the ascending colon to the transverse colon. Just like in the previous stage, continuous monitoring of the pH adjustments, temperature, and agitation of the reactor takes place. Descending colon. The content is transferred from the transverse colon to the descending colon. Continuous monitoring is sustained. And finally, the content is transferred to the waste container. The simulation process ends.
The time of completion of the process is dependent on the population being simulated by the UKUX.
Given that digestion varies across nursing infants, children, adults, the elderly, pregnant women, the general population, and individuals with pathologies. Manual simulation of such complex process entails unnecessary effort.
The automation of this system through the use of UKUX results in fewer errors.
Increased caution, greater efficiency, and more precise and dependable outcomes.